What if I told you that while you're resting, your body could actually be working hard to burn fat? It sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? The truth is, you don't have to spend hours at the gym to see results. In fact, the secret to burning fat might be as simple as optimizing your sleep. Your body is incredibly efficient when it comes to burning fat, even during rest, but you need to give it the right tools to do so. In this video, we're going to break down 10 science-backed methods to target fat while you sleep, so you wake up feeling lighter, healthier, and more energized. Stay tuned till the end for a bonus tip that might just be the game changer you've been looking for. 10. Prioritize deep sleep for fat burning. The first step to burning fat while you sleep is ensuring that you get high-quality sleep. When you hit the deep sleep stages, your body goes into repair mode, burning fat and rebuilding muscle. During these stages, your body produces the most growth hormone, which is essential for muscle recovery and fat metabolism. Poor sleep disrupts this process, and as a result, your body struggles to efficiently burn fat. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of deep, uninterrupted sleep each night. If you struggle with sleep quality, consider practices such as eliminating screen time before bed, reducing caffeine intake in the evening, and creating a dark, quiet sleep environment. 9. Optimize your bedroom temperature. Did you know that the temperature of your bedroom could be a secret weapon in your fat-burning efforts? Research has shown that sleeping in a cool room can stimulate the activation of brown fat. Brown fat, unlike white fat, is responsible for generating heat by burning calories. Keeping your room temperature between 60-67 deg 15-19 deg C can help activate this fat-burning process. So adjust your thermostat, use lighter blankets, or even sleep with a fan if necessary. The colder the room, the more your body will work to generate warmth, resulting in additional calorie burn as you sleep. 8. Have a protein-rich dinner. What you eat before bed plays a significant role in how effectively your body can burn fat overnight. A protein-rich dinner not only supports muscle growth but also helps in fat loss. Protein is slower to digest than carbohydrates or fats, keeping you feeling full longer and helping to regulate blood sugar levels. This can help prevent late-night cravings or blood sugar spikes that lead to fat storage. Lean proteins, such as chicken, turkey, fish, or plant-based options like beans and lentils, are great choices. They provide your body with the necessary building blocks for muscle repair while keeping your metabolism active overnight. 7. Avoid late-night snacking. Late-night snacking is one of the biggest culprits behind unwanted weight gain. When you eat right before bed, your body doesn't have enough time to fully digest the food before you sleep. As a result, your body stores the food as fat rather than using it for energy. Furthermore, late-night snacks are often unhealthy, processed, and high in calories. To ensure that you're not sabotaging your fat loss efforts, try to avoid eating 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. If you're hungry, opt for a light, healthy snack like a small handful of nuts or a piece of fruit, but avoid anything high in sugar or refined carbs. 6. Hydrate well throughout the day. While drinking water before bed may not directly cause weight loss, staying hydrated is critical to supporting your body's fat-burning processes during the night. Dehydration can slow down your metabolism and make it harder for your body to burn fat effectively. Drinking a glass of water before bed can aid digestion and improve the efficiency of your body's detoxification processes. However, make sure to not overdo it to the point where you're waking up to use the bathroom multiple times during the night, which could disrupt your sleep. 5. Incorporate magnesium into your evening routine. Magnesium is a vital mineral that plays a key role in sleep quality, muscle function, and fat metabolism. Studies show that magnesium can help your body relax and fall into a deeper, more restorative sleep. Not only does this improve the body's ability to repair itself during sleep, but it also helps in reducing the production of cortisol, a hormone that promotes fat storage, especially around the belly. foods rich in magnesium, such as leafy greens, almonds, avocados, and bananas, should be included in your dinner or evening snack to support a restful night and enhance fat-burning potential. 4. Practice intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. By restricting your eating window, your body enters a state where it uses stored fat for energy. Fasting overnight, for example, helps your body continue burning fat while you sleep, especially if you've already fasted for several hours during the day. The most common form of intermittent fasting is the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. This allows your body to go into fat-burning mode, improving your metabolism and helping you lose weight during the night. 3. Boost your metabolism with exercise. While exercise itself doesn't occur while you're sleeping, the benefits of physical activity continue to support fat loss during rest. High-intensity interval training (HIIT) is particularly effective at boosting metabolism and promoting fat burning, even hours after you've finished working out. The key benefit of HIIT is EPOC excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, which refers to the increased rate of calorie burn that happens after an intense workout. This means that a short HIIT session in the evening could trigger your body to burn more fat while you sleep. 2. Reduce stress and lower cortisol levels. Stress is a major factor in weight gain and fat retention. When you experience stress, your body produces cortisol, a hormone that can trigger fat storage. Particularly in the abdominal region, high cortisol levels can also disrupt sleep, making it harder for you to enter the deep sleep stages where fat burning happens. Incorporating stress management practices such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or light stretching before bed can lower cortisol levels and promote relaxation. A calm mind and body lead to more restful sleep, where fat-burning mechanisms can work their magic. 1. Create a consistent sleep schedule. Establishing a regular sleep routine is essential for weight loss. Your body's internal clock, or circadian rhythm, relies on consistency to function optimally. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate this rhythm and ensures that you get the deep, restorative sleep necessary for fat burning. Irregular sleep patterns can interfere with hormone production, appetite control, and fat metabolism. A consistent sleep schedule will not only help you get better rest, but will also improve your body's ability to burn fat while you sleep. Use herbal teas to promote fat loss. Certain herbal teas, like green tea or chamomile, have been shown to have fat-burning properties. Green tea contains antioxidants known as catechins, which can help boost your metabolism and promote fat loss. Chamomile tea, on the other hand, is known for its calming effects and can help improve sleep quality by reducing stress. Drinking a cup of herbal tea before bed can promote relaxation, support fat metabolism, and even help with digestion. Make sure to choose caffeine-free varieties if you're drinking it closer to bedtime to avoid disturbing your sleep. Now that you know how to target fat while you sleep, it's time to put these strategies into practice. From improving your sleep quality to incorporating magnesium-rich foods and adjusting your bedroom environment, small changes can lead to big results. Remember, consistency is key. The more consistently you apply these tips, the faster you'll see changes. Sleep is a powerful tool in your weight loss journey, and when optimized, it can help you burn fat even when you're not actively working out. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on health, wellness, and weight loss. Share this video with your friends and family so they can benefit too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.